Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Quad Boss Elite, and we are doing another mod for the Silverado. This one was not expected. It was a nice Christmas gift, so we're going to install it today. And it is a mirror dash cam. I've never seen one before, so this one is going to be interesting. But this one is, it's pretty simple. What it's going to do is it's going to attach to the back of the existing mirror. And, well, here, let me take it out and show you guys. It's quite simple design. It slides right over your existing mirror. And all it's got is a camera on the side of it. So there's the camera here. So it's just going to slide over your existing mirror. And it's got an 8 gig SD card in it, and it's continually filming. So when it gets full, it just deletes whatever was the first filmed. You don't need to take it out and clear it all. It's kind of nice because, you know, there's a lot of stupid drivers out these days. So, but what it's got is it's got a little screen here. I don't know if you could see it. You could kind of see it right there. That's your display screen if you want to see what it's seeing. But other than that, it's real simple. It's got a 12-volt car port charger. I will show you. I'm not going to use this, by the way. I'll show you what I'm going to do. But if you get one of these, you can install it however the hell you want to. But I'm going to make mine. Mine's going to be a little more complicated because I want it to look clean. So let me show you what we're going to do first. Okay, so right now I actually got it installed. That was pretty easy. There's just rubber, I guess you can call them clips. It's not really a clip, but you take this off and you fold it over your existing mirror. So right now it's sitting on the existing stock mirror, but the camera, I have it pointing out here. So what I'm going to do just for now to see what it looks like, I'm going to plug in the little 12-volt thing. I'll have to unplug my lights, plug it into the camera, which I will have to see where the ports are, and then we will see what it's seeing. Okay, so I got the little 12-volt power in there. It's actually very nice. So what I plan to do is, since the USB is up there, I was planning to, instead of having this cable run everywhere, I was going to have the cable run up into this light fixture and tap into these lights. Before it hits the switches, it's constant 12 volts. So I'll just plug it into there. So I'll just see a very tiny wire. And then you can just power it up right here. Cute little sounding. And then you could see right there, maybe hard to tell, but there's the driveway. And it's very interesting. I'll have to see at night what it's going to do because it's kind of bright outside, so I can't exactly see where it's pointing. But right now, it's already recording. I'm sure you can see a little red there. So it's already recording. So once I'm done, I'll just shut it off. You'll hear the fancy little noises. And it's off. Quite simple. Okay, so I'm starting the wiring process. So I took that lighting head unit out. You just take a screw. That's right there. Take it out. Slide it forward, and then it pops out of these pins. I did put these aftermarket switches in, so that's why there's some wiring here. But right now I have this light turned on, and I have a circuit tester to tell which wire is hot. So I have my ground over there somewhere on the truck, and let me see, is this one hot? This bulb should light up if it is. So it's this one here, so it's going to be this wire nut here. So I'll tap into this. The wire up here, I actually spliced, which is right here. So you got a simple red and a black, very simple. So since that's my hot, I'm gonna test that one real quick. And if that's the ground, I'll just tap into these wire nuts, run the wire in, put it back up, and this one is gonna be done. Okay, so I got a little background story. I actually hooked the actual camera itself up to 12 straight volts, and it was on for a few seconds, and then it shut off, and well, I smoked it. So apparently those things aren't able to handle a full 12 volts. That's why on the plug it says a 5-volt output, so I'm more than doubled that. So I had to get a new camera. So what I did was I actually bought a 12-volt plug-in for your car. I bought another one. I plugged it in, I hooked it up straight to the 12 volts coming from the truck there. And as you can see the little red LED light. That means that we're good to go. I have the extra cord laying in here, and then I'm actually going to put it back up there, screw it in, and then there'll just be a little bit of wire hanging down, enough to plug into the camera, and it should work without that dangly cord all the way down. Okay, so she is all installed. The wire is nicely hidden back up in the lamps up there, and it looks pretty clean to me. So all I got to do is just turn it on, and there it is. You can already see it recording, and it's nice and early in the morning, so you can see exactly what it looks like. and it's seeing pretty clearly. I gotta admit, it's not too bad. So with that being said, that is the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. Subscribe to Quad Boss Elite and like this video. We will catch you on the next one.